Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set real-time race info on the CoookieRun OvenBreak application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you all YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. That's the home screen, and if you want to go to the settings section, go to the settings icon at the upper right corner of the screen. At the left side of the screen, go to the second button, the game. New, go to the gameplay section, and here you can find the real-time race info option. You can select the see all, the K info only, and the hide all. Just select an option, for example the hide all, and just click to the square icon and done. So that's pretty much it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.